Hello everyone, here is my weekend vlog where I share with you how I spend my time when I'm not working. I work quite a lot, so I spend a good amount of time planning, and then I also picked up some delicious food for my mom. I made some kimchi jjigae, which is a Korean stew, and then I also did some crafting. I hope this inspires you to enjoy the days that we are given. Good morning everyone. So I have twins. They just showed up last night. I don't know how long they're going to stay, but they've decided to make a home on my face. Off to our workout! Woohoo! Saturday morning! A lot of people oftentimes ask me how I find time to hang out with my friends or have a social life, especially with a busy schedule, but many times my schedule involves my friends. So I've been attending outdoor fitness classes, and riding with a mask was such a struggle in the beginning, but my body has now gotten used to it. Here is some motivation from my SoulCycle instructor who actually didn't start working out until she was in her 30s. The question is,
yes.
How would you motivate people who don't want to work out?
How would I motivate people? I would tell the person to just don't try and be somebody else. Don't try and get to square 57. Just start right here, right now, and baby step it and be happy with slow steps and progress.
So the trick to having a really intense workout is to sit where the instructor can see you.
Specifically, sit right in front of Lisa.
Wow, so big! Enjoy the food! Oh, your dimple is so cute! Oh.
I will enjoy this.
So I showered and I changed, and then it is time for me now to go to Bible study. A very busy and productive day, but lots of socializing with masks on, so I'm excited. My Bible study had a webinar covering mental health and how to practice self-care in our lives. A topic we covered is that God gifts us with limits and things that we can't control, such as our personalities, our family origin, our body, and how to find true rest. Here is how to really take care of yourself. Number 1, what work do I need to stop? Number 2, what is restful to me? Number 3, what brings me delight? And number 4, how can I genuinely connect with God? We always split off into guys and girls at the end so that we can really share about our personal lives. Bought some blueberries because my friend recommended it. We'll see how good they are. So I bought some kale and I bought peanut butter mini crackers. I've been to 3 markets today and I just keep buying things randomly. Welcome to my life. I promise this is my last wardrobe change. I just got really hot. But it's time for dinner. I am starving after Bible study. My boyfriend got me these Jimmy slippers. They are so cute. What's this?
It's the end credits.
Oh, I've actually never seen it. It was time for dinner. My boyfriend is Indonesian, so we occasionally will eat Indonesian food. Today I'm having mie goreng, which is a noodle dish, and we are watching the anime Jujutsu Kaisen. Usually I watch Korean dramas, so I'm giving anime a try. My last wardrobe change is my pajamas. This is actually my sorority shirt. I was in a sorority in college and it was Delta Gamma, and it's been a long time. So I usually like to wear this as my pajamas, and then I just wear sweatpants to sleep. But now it's time for me to make a little gift for my mom. Instead of buying her $30 flowers, which I've done in the past, I decided to make a flower out of $30 because flowers die and money lasts longer, hopefully. As I create a gift for my mom, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about me, and I hope that's okay. I am a very practical person. I am also a type A person. I think very far into the future and I love making lists. I plan things on a weekly, monthly, and yearly basis because I like to have control over the things in my life. For the longest time, I was hard on myself for not being present and thinking so far ahead of me, but actually, we all need a balance of both. We should stay present in our day-to-day lives, knowing we also have thought about things in the future. I've been trying to embrace this balance while also remembering that God is in full control of my life and He is sovereign. Our lives are like a seed. We are responsible to water it, but God provides the water. We can try to set the environment it will live in, but God determines how it grows. Good morning, happy Sunday. I am going to go pick up breakfast for my mom and then I'm going to give her her flower. I got my mom some matcha tiramisu, got her a spinach and mushroom quiche, some fruit, and then an egg salmon toast. Ready! I just came back from my parents and literally every time I go to their house, I come back with stuff in my hands. I feel like it's a Korean or Asian thing for parents to want to make you go home with some food. So my mom gave me sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes, so it's great. Drink lots of water. I'm gonna make some kimchi jjigae because it's been a while and that is my comfort food. So first I start off by sauteing onions, garlic, and green onions. Then I throw in some kimchi and let it all brown together. Then I'm going to add some pork belly, but that is optional. Make sure everything sautés all well together. Now the real way to make kimchi jjigae is to add some Korean tuna. I guess you could add any tuna, but Korean tuna I feel makes it more authentic. Then I add about a half cup of the kimchi brine. Then I'll add 2 cups of water and I'll let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. I have this thing where if I just touch my face a little bit, it turns red, but I promise I'm fine. The rest of my Sunday, I'm just gonna wait for my food to finish cooking and then I'll probably watch some more BTS. And I'm pretty much ready for the week already. When the soup is about ready, that's when I also throw in my tofu and then the rest of the green onions, just so that the tofu doesn't overcook, but you also want the flavors to be well incorporated. Then it is ready to serve and I usually eat it with some rice. As I mentioned, I am such a planner and it actually brings me joy to plan out my weeks. I get a sense of security knowing there's a very slim chance of me forgetting anything I need to do. I just started using Notion and it has been amazing to personalize everything. Again, as a type A person, this is a dream. If you guys are interested, I can share how I use Notion to organize my life, but that can be another video. I've also decided to digitalize my journaling for now, but I've been using these questions in my regular journal for over 2 years. I then enjoy my time relaxing and watching Run BTS, which is literally something that makes me feel so connected to my Korean heritage and also makes me laugh a lot. Thanks for spending my weekend with me. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and I'll see you later. Bye!